Hello good people, this is Sherry with a quick video on how you can make a simple necklace with these wood beads and some fabric. I'm going to use a white glue to attach the fabric to the beads. I'm going to use my brush to put the glue on the bead. And here is a leather cord necklace that I will use. Alright, and this is the fabric. If you've seen me before, you know I have a fabric pack that has these awesome, super shiny African fabrics in it. Okay, so to get going, I'm going to take one of my beads, and these beads are 32 millimeter by 22 millimeter, and they are oval unfinished beads. I got these from Hobby Lobby. All right, so I got my bead, and it's got a big hole in it, and I specifically wanted the big hole beads. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of my white glue into a container, or maybe I'll just open the top and use it out of the top. So I'm going to get a generous amount of this white glue and spread it all over my bead. I probably should have cut my fabric first, but okay. I have a piece of fabric that is approximately 4 by 3 inches that I'm going to use to cover my bead. I'm going to trim this selvage edge off, and I'm going to cut little cuts in my fabric to help it when I curve it. I'm losing my bead. Okay, I may have to recut these if they're not long enough. I'm gonna need a lot of glue for this. Okay, I'm going to start by rolling the bead, but I'm pulling it very tight as I roll it because I want this to be a good tight fit. Okay, so I'm not going to need all of this fabric. I'm just going to overlap it a little bit, and then I'm going to cut my excess. So I've cut off my excess. Now I'm going to press that down. And now I want to start to stuff my ends into the hole. That's why I wanted a big hole, because I want to be able to stuff this fabric in there neatly. So yeah, I need it to be neat. So that means I need to push a little bit more down there. That's not all the way down there. I might have to pull it back up and then restuff it, because I want it to be neat. Okay, so here we go. Probably need to cut that a little bit more. That might help me. Okay, so here we go. I want it neat. Oops, so much glue. Gets to be messy. Okay. Pull it over. Pull it over. Because I want it to be neat. Neat, neat, neat. So, I'm going to stuff it in there. It doesn't want to be pleated, and it's going to have to be pleated. Okay. Now let me stuff this other side in here. I may cut it a little bit too, so I won't have so much to stuff. This one is doing much better than the first side. Okay, so I want that to cling to the side. Okay, so let me go back here. Gotta stuff that in a little bit more. Okay, pushing it down. Let this dry, and then I'm going to put some resin on it. Then we'll be back. My UV resin is cured, so now I'm almost done. I just need to string it on the cord. It kind of reminds me of Murano glass. I really like it. The fabric that I use for these earrings is a part of a 10-piece pack of 12 by 12 African print fabrics that we use for jewelry making. So I'm going to show you the patterns. There are 6 glam pieces and 4 regular Ankara pieces. Ankara is what people call African print fabric. Look at this. It's so beautiful. These are just fabulous. These are authentic African print fabrics that I brought with me from Nigeria. If you like this video and you are not subscribed, I invite you to subscribe. We have over 800 DIY videos for jewelry making and ways to make money with your jewelry. All right, good people, you know the drill. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't. Leave me a thumbs up. Hit the bell to be notified when we upload new content. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.